Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Audacity versus OBS and find out which is best for recording and editing audio in 2025. If you create podcasts, streams, or audio content, this guide will help you choose. Audacity is free, open source, and beginner friendly. It's great for recording, streaming, and applying effects. You can easily edit podcasts, voiceovers, or music tracks with a straightforward interface. However, it doesn't support video or live streaming integration. OBS, on the other hand, is primarily a live streaming and screen recording software. It records high quality audio alongside video, and with plugins, you can mix, filter, and manage multiple audio sources in real time. It's perfect for streamers, online educators, or anyone producing content with video and audio combined. The key difference, Audacity is better for offline, detailed audio editing. OBS is better if you need live recording, streaming, or simultaneous audio-video capture. So that's Audacity versus OBS in 2025. If you want a free, dedicated audio editor, Audacity is the way to go. But if you need live recording or streaming with audio, OBS is the smarter choice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.